Hi, dear Leos. A very good morning to you guys. So, this is a general love reading from 1st of May till 10th of May. And yes, yes, I'll tap into your current energy, your partner's current energy, their feelings for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from them till 10th of May. Okay. So, Leos, I'll use another deck for this one. So, your partner's current energy, Leos, right now is these cards are very, very slippery. So your partner's current energy right now, Leo, I feel is Three of Wands. I feel like they're turning their back to this relationship in particular, or they are waiting for something to happen in their life. So might be they're waiting for something, some projects to happen, or some work to happen, or they are waiting for somebody else to come in their life. Might be they were having some kind of connection with somebody else as well. So basically, I feel like this person right now is in no mood of commitment or coming towards you or telling you something. This is their current energy. Okay, we will check out what will they do till 10th of May. So I feel like this person is right now in this zone of waiting, and they are currently turning their back on this relationship, or turning their back towards you in general. So let's clarify the Three of Wands. What are they waiting for? What are they doing? Okay, so let's clarify the Three of Wands. Knight of Cups, Six of Cups, and the Queen of Swords. Okay, fine. So I feel like this person is taking their time, because I feel like this person has lots of emotions for you, and they have lots of memories with you, lots of sweet memories with you, but they are not that much clear about this thing, how to proceed towards you, and how to talk to you about this particular feelings that they are having right now. So I feel like this person is having lots of feelings for you. They are feeling the love for you. They are feeling the emotions for you, and these emotions are because you guys had a history together. You guys had lots of memories together, lots of it in the past, and that is why they are having so much lovely and beautiful feelings for you. But I feel like they are gaining the mental clarity. They are not sure about this particular feelings. Like, they're sure about the feelings, to be very honest. They are not sure how to come towards you, how to or proceed towards you, how to reach you. So this that is why they are turning their back right now, for the time being, for from this connection, or they're just waiting. Okay, they are just waiting for something to happen, and then they will talk to you. This is what is happening. Okay, this is what is happening. This is their current energy. They are turning their back from love. Maybe they are turning their back from any kind of relationship, or they just don't want to be in a relationship right now, might be, or they just don't want to be in this emotional state of mind. That is why right now they are in this energy of turning their back, or walking away from this particular situation. Okay, so Leos, your current energy, let's check out your current energy. I am a Leo rising, so it will resonate with me as much as it will resonate with you guys, with Leo sun sign. So let's see what your current energy is, Leo. Ten of Swords. Okay, I feel like you are going through a very bad phase in your life, and you are feeling this is the worst that could happen to me. But the good news is you are feeling relieved now. Okay, you are feeling this worst feeling is day by day vanishing away, and this worst feeling is going away, because this Ten of Swords is like the worst is over, and there will be a new beginning soon. Or some of you could be feeling like backstabbed by somebody. You might be feeling betrayed by somebody. But let me tell you one thing, the number 10 is the beginning, okay, because it is kind of 1 plus 0. 1 is the number of beginning, and 0 is the number of unity and the source. So you are getting connected to the universe day by day, and you are getting over a situation, okay, over a very painful situation. So let's clarify the 10 of Swords, your current energy. Let's clarify the 10 of Swords. Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, and the Sun. Right, yes, 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 yes. So I feel like you are working on your own stability, your own independence, your own beautiful life, because you were in the past, might be in the recent past, you were self-sabotaging yourself. You were, feeling backstabbed, feeling betrayed, feeling like somebody was hiding something from you, and that truth came out in light. and now you are again trying to be very very happy. You are working on your own happiness. You are just not interested in anybody's shit right now, Leos, and you are just working on your own happiness. That is what you guys are doing, okay? So you are working on your own money, your own luxuries, your own business. And then I feel like you guys were betrayed. You guys felt like you were betrayed by somebody, or somebody did something wrong or hurtful with you. Now you are getting over that thing, and you are working on your own happiness, your own enlightenment, I can say, because I feel like you are getting connected to the source. This is not a bad card for me. This is a very good card actually, because the Ten of Swords tells me that the worst is over and there will be a new beginning soon. This hurtful phase is going to be over soon, okay? So this is the story behind this Ten of Swords. You are working on yourself. You were feeling betrayed by somebody, you were feeling backstabbed, and you were there was something that came out in light. There was a truth that is revealed to you. Now you are finally accepting the truth, and you are moving towards your happiness, okay? That is what is happening. That is your current energy, and that is a very beautiful energy, Leos, to be very honest, okay? So let's see what this person feels for you. This person's feelings for you, okay? Oh, Ace of Cups. Lots of love. This person is ready to start a new chapter with you. This person is feeling lots of love for you. This person is deeply in love with you. Overwhelming emotions. This person is going through roller coaster in emotionally. I feel like one second they are very much in love with you. The another second they are like, no, I don't want this person. Then another second they are very much in love with you. Then another second they are like, no. So it is like they are going through a roller coaster in their life because of these overwhelming emotions. They are deeply in love with you. This is Ace of Cups energy, okay? So let's clarify the Ace of Cups as their feelings. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups as their feelings. Three of Pentacles, the Emperor, and the Ten of Wands. Okay. So I feel these feelings came after lots of analysis, after lots of conflict in their heart and soul and mind, because this person is now ready to put in the effort in this relationship or in this connection. Now this person is ready to put in the work for this particular connection to work out, because now they have made their mind. Once the emperor is kind of you could be dealing with the Aries, okay? So it is kind of, emperor is a kind of energy that once they made their mind for something, they are like just stuck on that. They will stick to it for the rest of their life. So now they have made their mind. Now they are in this zone of, yes, now I have realized that I love this person. I have lots of feelings for this person. But again and again, after lots of conflict, because they were feeling like this relationship or this connection was a heavy burden on their head, a heavy burden on their shoulders. That is why maybe they were backing off. That is why maybe they were not making you feel loved, or telling you their exact feelings for you, okay? So but now they are feeling all these love emotions. This roller coaster is going on in their life, because now they have they have this kind of, what should I say, the exact word is like, the weight is lifted from their shoulders. Now they are clear about their feelings and their intentions towards you. Now they have lots of love for you, lots of feelings for you, okay? This is what I'm getting from this reading. Okay, so let's see what they want from you till 10th of May. Leos, what they want from you. I feel what they want from you is King of Swords. All they want from you is clarity. Again, they want answers. They are seeking the truth from you. They just want an answer from you. They just want clarity from you. They just want to know what you are going through, what you are feeling for them, what you want from this connection. All they want is clarity from this relationship, or from this connection, or from you in general. All they want is clarity, and all they want is to quit mind games and be a little patient, and just they are just seeking the truth. They just want to know what you are thinking, what your plans are, what you want to do with this connection, okay? So let's clarify the King of Swords. Knight of Wands, Seven of Pentacles and the Justice. Okay, I feel like uh, this person was very very passionate about you. This person was very very physically attracted to you, but this is again, this was a non-committal energy. They were not ready to commit to you. They were waiting for something. They were waiting for the might be right time for something to happen. Now after waiting so much, now they are clear. You could be dealing with a Libra, Leo. Okay, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. So, or there could be a Libra in the chart, heavy Libra energies here. So it is kind of, yes, this person was might be waiting for the right time to do justice with this particular relationship, to do some kind of amendment in this relationship. Might be this relationship was not working out in the past, and now they are ready to ready to make some kind of efforts from their side, and put in the energy from their side. Okay, so this is what is happening. All they want is a mental clarity, because now they are clear. All they want from you is a mental clarity, is a clarity, is an answer, seeking the answer. What to expect from this person till 10th of May? What to expect from this person till 10th of May is, what to expect from this person till 10th of May? The world. Closure? I don't feel like. Okay. So there is an ending of a cycle. I feel like they will come to you, they will communicate with you, but they will tell you this, that the things are over now. Let's start from scratch, maybe. Because the world card is telling me that something is over, this is a cycle is completed. This is a completion of a cycle. So might be they are seeking a closure from you, and that is why they're coming towards you, and they want a open and honest communication from you. So the world is generally a very very positive card, but in this case I feel like this person is coming towards you and they want to end this cycle, because I feel like this cycle is getting very very hurtful and painful for them, and that is why they just want to communicate it with you, that they want to end this cycle. Might be they want to start all over again, but right now they just want to end, might be end this relationship, or end this hurtful situation. I don't know, there's something coming on from coming towards you from their side that will be finished. So I don't feel like the connection will be finished. I feel like the worst will be over, because they are seeking the, again, I told you, this person wants mental clarity. They are coming in with some kind of solid communication towards you, and all they want is truth and clarity, nothing else. Let's clarify the world, the King of Pentacles, the King of Cups, and the Four of Wands. Wow. No, they are not coming for the closure. They are coming in with a solid relationship offer, because King of Pentacles, King of Cups, and the Four of Wands is telling me, I feel like, Leo, there are two people in your life right now, and both of them are coming towards you by, I feel like you are dealing with two-person right now, because King of Cups and King of Pentacles are two people, two-person, and they both are coming towards you, and they both are offering you something very very solid, and this is the Four of Wands here. So I feel like there will be completion of a painful cycle, there will be end of a painful cycle from their side. They are coming towards you, but somebody else is also coming towards you with a solid commitment offer, with a love offer, or somebody else is also giving you this offer of being in a relationship, or being in a stable commitment with them, because both the parties are giving you this Four of Wands, this celebration, this togetherness, this commitment. Okay, so Leos, lots of happiness coming towards you till 10th of May. I see two-person coming towards you and offering you, both the parties, both the persons are offering you something beautiful. One is offering you a love offer, and another one is a solid commitment offer, a long-term commitment offer. Okay, wow, this is beautiful energy, Leo. And the bottom of the deck is, you want to see the bottom of the deck, is the Ten of Cups. See, lots of beautiful things coming towards you, Leo, after a very long time of struggle. Happiness, beautiful energy, happiness. Okay, let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck and let's see what the universe has for you. The Love Universe. Meeting and conversing, savoring the moment, feeling uplifted, friendship. Okay, this is your card till 10th of May. You might be meeting new people as well. Lots of options. Yeah, Leo. Nice. So thank you so much for tuning in and listening to me. Thank you so much. I hope this reading will help you out to clear some of your doubts. So namaste and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Anjali Tarot. Thank you.